Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q5 and I'm going to enable the needle sweep feature over here in the instrument cluster. And over here I have OBDeleven, which is already connected to the car. So let's do this quickly. Press here to go to the list of all modules. Scroll down to module 17, which is the dashboard, the instrument cluster. Over here we are going to enter long coding. And in long coding we are looking for a feature called staging. It's set to no, so let's switch it to yes. Slide to write new configuration. And right now we can disconnect from the vehicle. We can turn the ignition off. Where's the ignition button? Over here. And right now, if I turn the ignition back on, needles should move. Exactly as expected. Okay, so in the description below this video you'll find details about this procedure, and give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.